you give me a handful.
Or actually, you take the like all this plastic stuff out.
Look how I want with the handful. I'm just gonna reach in that here.
Okay. That looks nice. I'm getting rid of that KP sticker right away though.
What's one on the side?
On the side, the one that I took off.
Yeah, the before and then moved up to the mouth.
Yeah. But this time I'm gonna try soaking water. Take it off so I don't leave that mark on one side.
You use alcohol too.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Soaking water will work too.
Oh, the mirrors. Confused what that was. The white box is the back. We're gonna have to mix this. This is what you had to do, right?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
Yo, wait, what about the battery? Same battery.
Yeah, it is. I would expect anything different.
Nah, because your other one was different. Let me see.
Oh no, this is different than my last one. AT maintenance free battery. ATE. Yours.
My keyword. Yes. Yeah.
YTZ 7ABS. It looks the same.
No, yeah.
It is the same.
Battery.
Yeah. We gotta see if I have this band.
Well, I don't think that's even
have
for
that
it. I don't know what it's for.
It is for that.
Huh?
It is for that.
Is it?
Yeah. Here's all the bolts. They put an X Pro sticker in here.
I didn't know sticker. What is this?
That was an Amazon sign. The clutch stuff. What is this? What is this?
It's like all like you get like I don't know what you need these for. They gave
look
you
like
more
zip ties. These things.
Yeah, they gave me. I think that's supposed to be used for the battery too. I don't know.
I didn't use it all for my first one. I don't think I'm gonna use it now.
That matches with the.
Now look, all these pieces, they're all silver. My last bike it was green. This piece.
No,
But then this was silver on my last
Yeah.
bike, and now it's black like yours. Look at
Yeah.
this. What is this?
It's
That's
nice
so
though.
weird. And then this. This was silver on my last one.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's plastic. That's weird. I like the red though. It pops.
It does pop though. It does. This got to go though.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that. All these warning
I wish I
stickers.
got this though. I really just wanted the actual symbol for what. Look, I didn't get none. Actually, I don't even know what mine says.
That symbol up front should be for like Lifan. Made in China.
It's just graphics.
Nah, up front. In the front fender. This is one of their symbols, I guess.
You wear something else?
You would have parked up front. See this silver? This silver. And you got the same cap. I was like, they didn't give me a key at the shipping company. I was like, they didn't give me a key. It's not in the box. The box over there. It was zip tied here. I was going crazy. I was going crazy looking for it.
And then you told me it'd be on there.
And we always got to put the stuff on the bars first, and then put the bars on the clamps. So I made that mistake twice. Once the first time at the shipping company, second time with the pro tapers. I knew and I still did it. Yeah. I did it. I put it on. It was such a pain. I had to take it all off. It's horrible.
I might do these stickers too. Yeah, let me see what you say. Yeah, well, right
I
here.
love the green.
Yeah, right here. You says the same thing.
87.
Or
My
above.
last one said 93. Or it said 91. It said premium.
Yeah, but like, it is 93 because it is a bike. Any bike like
Some, but I think it's just on the bottom.
it is.
I thought you had a little bit more. That dirt bike, you're eating it. You'd be eating fuel.
I lose fuel so easily. Those keys? What the hell?
No, I still have that on mine. That's just spare. I just leave it on there. I don't know
Leave it
yet.
with the camera.
They do it for one, but the other one has nothing on it.
Are these pre-attached? It's pre-attached.
Oh, mine were pre-attached and I bet mine.
Shouldn't be
I
on
bet
there.
them back there, I know.
Shouldn't be on there. That's what makes it harder.
Yep. I didn't realize that.
You gonna hold those? Yeah, you had it in your back pocket. Is it the size?
No, it's not. That's what I thought it was. That's why I pulled it out.
So what is this? The front brake gets a smaller clamp, the back piece, and then the clutch gets a bigger one. This is a weird wrench. It's like fat.
Yeah, no, it's so weird how I got that.
Ah, nah.
There goes the wire.
That's a scratch.
There's the hole on the bars right here. It's on both sides. You gotta get this piece onto it. And get the hole, get that piece. There's a piece in here that goes in the hole, in the bars. And then it locks in place, and you can put both the screws on. So this piece right here is for the choke cable. And this one is for the front brake. This is for the clutch, the bigger one. It's for the clutch. And this is a bar clamp. Yeah, look. These screws. They didn't come in for me. I had to put them in myself. So this one goes up top, and the longer one goes on the bottom. But I didn't take those ones out completely, so I don't know. These ones must be the same, like the same size. This one's the only one different. The big one goes on the choke cable. You just put in that piece, and then what? Put it in there. And that big piece goes right in the middle. Oh yeah, right? No.
You gotta close it in like that. Has to be like showing.
Like that?
Yeah, and then it'll
Oh,
close
okay.
out.
But you want this piece to stop right here, so I think it's gotta go. You know what I'm saying? How yours is?
For the choke, we had to take it out and put it on the bars first, and then clamp this over it. Wow. Straight? Make so straight.
Why are you telling me this?
Is that straight?
Oh, they put it. We gotta move it.
What? Ah. Okay, straight.
I forgot that. That's in the shirt like it's like all good. No, it's just that, I guess.
We gotta put it in the hole. There's a hole for this one.
I don't know. But I'm not gonna lie with you, that usually that one on smooth as butter on mine. I don't think that one has a hole, to be honest with you, because mine closed up easy.
Maybe I should just tighten it right by the hole. Put the grip in it.
That's what I'm saying, like, so we measure it out. So,
Okay. And put the bar in.
I didn't want that to happen.
I let go of it. I couldn't find the hole for this one, but it's sturdy.
Yep, I have
Yeah? Okay.
Oh.
This is a smaller clamp. It's for the front brake. We just got the clutch on. And the bars aren't clamped yet, because then it'd be hard to get this stuff on. Now we're gonna put the front brake on, and then we'll show you. Actually, now we'll show you after we start putting this clamp on, the actual bar clamp. We got the bars on. I'm gonna tighten down the clamps just in case. I'm gonna try to tighten. See how tight they are?
I moved.
It might be hard to get down there though. And then we gotta do the battery. We're gonna show you, and then we're gonna do the oil change, and then start it. Yeah, I forgot about the oil change.
Alright guys, Bobby here. They gave us a thumbtack. When I got my battery, they gave me a thumbtack too.
But for what? They tell you not to pierce it.
Yeah, no, that's
You're
what I'm
supposed to
saying.
pierce it with
Yeah,
those.
what's that? Like a
Battery. It pierces itself, you know? What is the point of the thumbtack then? People have difficulties?
Probably.
I'm not gonna use that.
I
That-
threw mine away
I don't
too.
want battery acid on me.
I threw mine away. You try not to hurt yourself.
Alright, we're gonna line the 6 with the 6. Are they aligned?
Yeah.
Alright, move back a little bit. And we're just gonna push down.
Yeah, they all got bubbles. Just shake it a little. I shook mine a little bit.
I was squeezing them like this, and I'm just helping them go down. And then
I
kept
shook it
pushing.
all. I shook it a little bit.
Pushing on it a little bit.
Yeah, there they go. They're going. Yeah.
Slowly.
Yeah, slowly but sure.
Are they all going?
I think they are.
I don't think this side is. No, I think these ones are staying higher. No, they're going.
Oh, they go?
I don't think so. This one, these 3 went down way quicker than.
Yeah.
Alright. These ones. Can't
this
tell
one's.
because of this.
I can see it because it's thicker. This one's still even.
Yeah, the last 3 are higher. They're not going in.
I think we have to squeeze them.
For the first one, I was squeezing it just like what you're doing. Yep, it's working.
I think that's how it does it.
Yeah. You just squeeze it one side, right?
Mm-hmm. It's kind of sucky how you have to do that.
Yeah.
I wish you just like had a little suction.
Wish it just started going down, right?
Or maybe they gave us the thumbtack to
Poke in there?
get air, so yeah.
I don't know, but I don't want to poke in there with acid, you know?
Yeah, that's what.
I don't want to get it on ourselves. Well, let's wait for these 3 to go down, because they're almost done.
Yeah, this one, they're all high. Oh, yeah.
And this one's actually low. The middle 2 are not going.
Yeah, that's what I did a little bit to make sure, like, if it was going, but, like, that might be going.
Yeah,
They just slowly brush it. Yeah, they're second in.
And then we're going to put this back on.
Mm-hmm.
The battery. Okay, stuff on it.
It's almost there. You guys can probably see it.
It's going in. Alright. You can turn the camera off now.
Alright. We'll come back to you guys later.
Alright. Put it in. But it's not going in through the metal piece down there.
Alright.
Yeah. That little block down there?
Yeah. Now you gotta keep going.
There we go. I think it went in. No, it didn't.
Oh, it went sideways this way. Yeah, it went like.
No, it's not lined at all. It's gotta come out that way. Don't get this. Don't lose this.
It's gonna be stuck. Get that far head right there.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. No, like right there, yeah. You just push it. Yeah, like that. So easy. Oh, that is.
No, same thing. What the hell?
No, there it goes. I grabbed it. You're
You
good.
did
Yeah.
I did. I always get scared doing batteries.
I do it too. Yeah, that's what, yeah.
I don't like it. It's gonna be. That's what I hate too. What? It's off?
No, it was on. I turned it off. You be straight though. Oops, sorry for my mouth, guys. I have a very bad potty mouth. Bobby needs to go get some lessons.
You think that's straight? The wire like that? Yeah.
Yeah, like this. Yeah, I think mine's like that too.
Let's put the caps back on.
Oh.
So I don't get corroded like my last battery.
No, you had the caps on.
Yeah,
It's
no, but they just got corroded. No matter what.
You drove it in any weather.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Nah. It's stuck on this. There you go. Try pushing it.
Sort of. There you go. Oh yeah.
Where keys are, homie?
Oh yeah. 9999. 0 miles. But it said it had 2. Let me turn it on. We're changing the oil. Right when we get it. I think this is vegetable oil. It's got like a low. It like moves like water. We're gonna change it. It's this bolt. It's got like a little thing sticking out behind the bolt, so you know it's an oil bolt. It's a big bolt. It's the only one down there, really. In that area. I'm gonna change the oil and get the mirrors on. I'm gonna rip it. Break it in. Will I shine the light on it? What are you doing? What are you doing?
You chilling?
Alright. Let's turn the gas on. Make sure all the kill switch is on. Let's give me the first start. Am I forgetting anything? I changed the oil. I dripped some oil right there. Check the
Give it
the carb. No, I don't want to do that.
Get my flathead out?
Yeah. Yeah, I need that. The what is that called? The idle screw is a little too much out. I think so. So this started it, didn't want to stay on.
If something happens, even like this, if I have to adjust the idle.
How far in do you think I should go? One full turn, I think.
I think that should be good.
Choke is off, right?
Yeah. Right where mine is.
Hold on. Turn it in a little.
Oh, wait. We're done.
Why? What? Oh, the caps? Yeah, there's caps on the tubes. Some of the tubes have caps on them. You gotta remember to take them off. How many is there? 2, right?
I think so, yeah. One for your breathing for the motor, and I think the other one's for your...
I'm gonna turn the camera on. We're gonna let it, what's it called? Heat cycle. And then I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I got the mount chest. The front shocks are squeaking as I go over every bump. They're squeaking. Trying to keep it slow because this thing's breaking in. I don't want to damage the motor. I gotta adjust these mirrors. Yeah, the shocks, both the shocks in the front and the back, they're so new. They're literally squeaking over every bump. I'm shifting very early on purpose. I don't want to go anywhere near red line. I got the 4K camera out right now, and this is right here, this position is locked. So right here it's a little wobbly, so I might move around, but I don't want it this way because then I don't know what you guys are seeing. I gotta keep it straight. Oh man, I love the color green on this bike. Love it. Love the green color. It's so hard not to just give it all the gas right now. I really want to. God damn. The tranny feels so new. The gears feel, oh my god. So like, I don't know how to explain it. They just feel like they got some like pressure behind each gear to shift. Unlike my last KP Mini. My last KP Mini was definitely worn in. It had almost 4,000 miles. So this one's gonna feel way different right now. I miss my Pro Taper bars. I miss them, but I'm just thankful. He's the one that's broken in now, unlike me. Now I'm the one that's got to go slow. want to rip it right now, but I'm not gonna do it. Need to let it break in properly. A lot of bumps right here. This thing is so quiet. My last Mini roared. That's because I lost one of the bolts on the exhaust. I never put a different one on. Only problem I'm seeing so far with this Mini is the idle's been jumping. Like it'd be at 2, and then it just jumped to like in between 3 and 4, and then it's gonna go back down by itself and then jump back up again. I don't know if it's still doing it, but it was doing it at my house when it was idling. I was trying to let it heat cycle. Yeah, but they ain't stopping nothing. I still got my Mini. First fill up.
We're just gonna go that way anyways, Friday.
Actually, now let's go the long way. I want to put some miles on it.
Alright. I'll just follow.
Alright, we out. First fill up. First fill up. I know. I know, they don't got lights on up there. Gas gauge wants to work properly, because it always works when you fill up the bike, but after like 10 minutes of riding you'll say it's empty, which is nowhere near. This bike gets 130, they say 130 miles per gallon, and it holds 1.4 gallons, so it's a good amount. That's what we like to see. They going slow. I love this color. If you guys didn't know, when I ordered my red Mini, I actually ordered it in this color, which is green and black. But what's it called? They called me, TX Power Sports, and were like, we only got the red. You want us to send it? And at the time, I had no vehicle. I just got hit on my scooter, so I was like, yeah. I don't really mind. I love the red, but this color is just so sick. So this is the 2017 version, but it was made in August of 2020. So it's got like the silver pieces that John has on his 2020, but it's still got the color wave of the 2017-18, which is It's like straight. It's completely different than 2020. And the wheels, the rims come with color on them too to match it, which the 2020 doesn't. That's just all black. It said it was in neutral. I let go of the clutch and it just jumped. It was definitely in first. The brakes feel so tappy. The front don't though. The back feel very tappy. Man, I love Lifan, however the hell you say it. I'll never stop buying their products. As long as they make good products at a good price, I'll never stop. Love this bike. That's why when they took mine, I was so upset. Huh? Idle? It keeps jumping. It's still jumping up to 3 and then going back to 2. I don't know what could cause that. I guess a float. This bike, but I thought this one would make that noise that John's bike does when you let the gas. It's like a little whine. It's like, doo! But I haven't heard it yet, and I've tried to do it. I haven't been hearing it, so I don't think mine does it. It's a shame, but it does not matter. Would have been cool if it did it though. I don't know what causes his to do that, but it's cool. I love how it sounds when it does that. I don't know how much you guys can see. It's pretty dark and it's only like 6 o'clock right now. All front brake right here. Yeah, they're definitely weaker than my last ones were. My last front brakes were a lot better. It doesn't make the noise that yours does when you let it go the gas. It doesn't do it.
Aww, that's sucky.
Yeah, I don't know why.
It should.
Yeah. My phone is digging into my pants right now. It says not to go over like 40 miles per hour for the first like, I think it's like I don't know if it's a 500 miles or if it's like 300 miles, but I'm gonna keep it slow as I can. Quick rip. 51, which is 51 is 45. Yeah, 45. I don't know why I couldn't think of that quicker. But that's 45 miles per hour. I'm not going to go much faster. I really don't want to hurt this thing. I want it to last me. My last one would have lasted me a while too. It is what it is though. I don't know. I just think that's real messed up to come to someone's work. With this many. No hands? Oh! Don't want to drop it. Yeah. They really were squeaking when I was coming down my hill. They were squeaking over any bump. They really were just that new. Oh, I'm glad I got the gold forks though. I'm glad. When I bought this bike, I bought this one off Amazon from a seller, X Pro. Moto Pro is a seller. They make X Pro, and what's it called? Huh? Yeah, I got it from X Pro, and they list it as a 2020 version, but this is obviously, it was made in 2020, but it's obviously a 2018 model based on the plastics, which is kind of like deceiving.